In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store menu, an essential step for enhancing your customers' navigation experience. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel by logging into your account. Once you're logged in, on the home page of your store's dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and settings on the left-hand sidebar. To begin customizing your menu, navigate to the section labeled Menus. This section is where you can manage all the navigational elements of your online store. Now that you're in the menu section, look for the option labeled Main Menu. This menu represents the primary navigation bar visible to all your visitors. Click on Main Menu to delve further into the customization of your store's main navigational features. This step allows you to view the current items that make up that menu, giving you a real-time snapshot of what your customers encounter when they visit your site. Once there, you'll spot a button that says Add Menu Item. Click on this button to begin adding new elements to your main menu. The interface makes it user-friendly by providing text fields for this process. In the label field, type in the word highlight or any other label you'd like to use for this new menu item. It's important to choose concise and descriptive titles that clearly communicate where that menu item will take your customers. After typing in the word highlight, Shopify prompts you to link this to a part of your store. Simply click to set the link destination. Perhaps it's a page, a collection, or a product that you want to feature prominently in this highlight section. Once you link the item correctly, hit save to make sure all your changes are successfully updated and visible to your customers. Next, Shopify provides a convenient drag and drop feature. This feature gives you the flexibility to rearrange menu items to suit your priorities, allowing important links to be easily accessible. To use this, just click and hold on the item you want to move. Drag it up or down within the list to your preferred spot, ensuring it aligns with how you wish your customers to navigate through your site. If you wish to add further items, simply click Add New Menu Item again and repeat the steps. Type in a new title for each item and set its link accordingly. Don't forget to save each new item to secure your modifications. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, you can nest items under the main menu item you added, helping you create sub-menus or categories effortlessly. Feel free to repeat this process whenever necessary to maintain or update your store as new products or pages are added. This straightforward method provides a seamless way to manage your store's navigation, ensuring your customers have the best experience possible while shopping on your site.